everyone, this is Sherry with the CGH Health Foundation, and I'm back with another What's Cooking CGH video. So today's recipe is really easy, but I'm going to be using a couple of convenience products. And I don't use a whole lot of convenience foods, but in this situation, there might be some benefits. What I'm going to be making today are some mini pot pies. And I made this recipe the first time because my husband loves those old frozen pot pies that you used to get when we were kids. And so I thought I would try to make a version for ourselves. And it really just uses 3 ingredients. So it's a great thing to do for the kids, and they can help out. And one thing that I found about kids is that if they help with the cooking, they are more apt to eat the final product. And one thing I know that kids don't eat enough of, none of us eat enough of, are fruits and vegetables. And so this is a way to sneak a little serving of vegetables in to something that the kids will probably eat. And did you know the World Health Organization says that one of the main reasons that our lives are shortened is because we don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. So yes, I'm going to use a couple of convenience products, but this is one of those cases when the benefits outweigh the potential not so healthy part of it. So the first ingredient is these crescent dinner rolls, which pretty much everybody has around at the holidays. And this is probably where almost all the calories come from in this. But even so, each of these mini pot pies only has about 120 calories. So they're relatively light that way. So the first ingredient are these crescent rolls. The second ingredient is, yes, jarred turkey gravy. You could use chicken gravy, turkey gravy, whatever it is, or you could use leftover gravy if you have it from a holiday dinner. But surprisingly, this stuff is also really light in fat and calories. There's only 20 calories in this version that I bought in a 1/4 cup serving. And each of my pot pies is going to have less than half of a 1/4 cup in it. So again, really light in calories. And then the third ingredient is just frozen mixed vegetables. So here's where the vegetables come in. And just buy the mix that you like. The one that I have here has corn and green beans and peas and some carrots. Easy recipe, so let me get to it. The first thing that you're going to do is to heat up your gravy and your frozen vegetables. And I've already done that. So in my pan, I just dumped the whole jar of gravy. I love these dump and go recipes. The whole jar of gravy and the whole 12 ounce. So this is a 12 ounce jar of gravy and a 12 ounce bag of frozen mixed vegetables. I put that in my saucepan over kind of medium-high heat, and I heated it for just 5 minutes. The vegetables are already partially cooked. When they come out of the field, they're flash cooked. So they're partially cooked, and they're going to finish the rest of the way in the oven. So all we really want to do is to heat the gravies and vegetable together enough to get the vegetables warmed up and defrosted, and then we're going to put it all in the oven. So we're going to use our little muffin pan. So here's mine, and I'll show you how to put it together. And this is really easy. Again, the kids would love to do something like this. So take one of your crescent rolls, and I like to stretch it out just a little bit to fit in the cup or cover a little bit more of the cup. And then press it into your muffin cup. I'm going to put kind of the fatter end in so that the widest part of the crescent roll is in the cup. And you've got the tips and the pointy end sticking out. And then you're going to take just a scant 1/4 cup. It's not even a 1/4 cup of vegetables, and just drop it right in there on top of the crescent roll. And then after that, just kind of smoosh together the ends of the crescent roll. It doesn't have to completely cover the vegetables. You're trying to just get maybe a little covering over them, and that's it. It's that easy. The oven's been preheated to 375, and so this goes in the oven for just 10 minutes. So again, this is a fast, easy recipe. And when it comes out, this is what they look like. So they get nice and golden brown. You can see I didn't do a real perfect job of getting my crescent roll crust covering everything. But fast, easy vegetables for the kids. And let's give one a taste. Okay. They just pop right out of there. There you have it. Mini pot pie made with crescent rolls, jarred gravy, and frozen vegetables. And really good. So easy. I hope you'll try this recipe with the kids and get your kids and maybe your husband to eat some more vegetables. See you next time.